In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, emerging technologies have the power to redefine the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. These groundbreaking innovations, driven by scientific advancements and human ingenuity, hold immense potential to solve complex problems, revolutionize industries, and enhance the human experience. From artificial intelligence and blockchain to gene editing and quantum computing, this essay explores a wide array of emerging technologies that are poised to shape the future of humanity. Artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of emerging technologies, empowering machines to simulate human intelligence and perform tasks traditionally requiring human intelligence. AI has made significant strides in various domains, including natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI is transforming sectors such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing, driving efficiency, automation, and innovation. Blockchain, the distributed ledger technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has the potential to revolutionize industries beyond finance. By providing secure, transparent, and immutable records, blockchain enables decentralized applications and smart contracts, streamlining processes, enhancing security, and reducing intermediaries. Its applications span across supply chain management, voting systems, identity verification, intellectual property, and more, fostering trust and enabling peer-to-peer transactions. Gene editing technologies, such as CRISPR-Cas9, offer unprecedented control over genetic material, opening up possibilities for personalized medicine, disease eradication, and enhanced agricultural practices. Scientists can now modify genetic codes to eliminate genetic disorders, increase crop yields, and tackle environmental challenges. While ethical considerations must guide the responsible use of gene editing, this technology holds tremendous promise for the future of healthcare and sustainable food production. Quantum computing harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations that exceed the capabilities of classical computers. By leveraging quantum bits, or qubits, quantum computers can tackle complex problems in cryptography, optimization, drug discovery, and materials science. While still in its nascent stages, quantum computing's exponential processing power has the potential to revolutionize fields dependent on computational speed and unlock groundbreaking scientific discoveries. The Internet of Things connects everyday objects and devices to the Internet, enabling them to gather, share, and analyze data. IoT has permeated various aspects of our lives, from smart homes and wearable devices to industrial automation and smart cities. The integration of IoT systems enhances efficiency, improves decision-making, and enables the development of intelligent ecosystems. However, ensuring robust cybersecurity measures and addressing privacy concerns are crucial as IoT continues to expand. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies immerse users in digital environments or overlay virtual elements onto the real world. These technologies have transformed gaming and entertainment experiences, but their potential extends far beyond. VR/AR finds applications in education, healthcare, architecture, and training simulations, providing interactive and immersive experiences that enhance learning, communication, and problem-solving. Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing enables the creation of three-dimensional objects by layering materials based on digital designs. This technology has disrupted traditional manufacturing methods, enabling rapid prototyping, customization, and cost-effective production. 3D printing has diverse applications in healthcare, aerospace, automotive, fashion, and consumer goods, fueling innovation, reducing waste, and democratizing production. Emerging technologies have the power to reshape our world, offering transformative solutions to complex challenges. From the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence and blockchain to the promises of gene editing, quantum computing, IoT, VR, AR, and 3D printing, these technologies are pushing the boundaries of human potential. However, with such transformative power comes responsibility. Ethical considerations, privacy concerns, and equitable access must guide the development and deployment of emerging technologies to ensure a future that benefits all of humanity. As we navigate the uncharted territories of the digital age, we must harness the potential of emerging technologies while remaining vigilant, adaptable, and mindful of their impact on society, economy, and the environment. The future is being shaped today, and the wise integration of emerging technologies will play a pivotal role in creating a better tomorrow for all.